The Leelanau School is a place to rediscover a love for learning.
Learning at Leelanau has always been about being experiential.
And so where one might read from a textbook about science, here at the Leelanau School, you can go do the science, and you can talk about the science, and you can feel the science and breathe the science. And you leave with not only knowledge, but also a love for what you just experienced and a memory of what you just experienced that you can share with other people.
For example, let's say quadratics, something that everybody always has to learn in high school. That models gravity really, really well. So we built a trebuchet. It's a great way to learn because it models that one situation, quadratics, it models it perfectly.
Well, yeah, it's definitely more fun because of the way we learn here and the different way we do things.